Good morning, grade fours. Now that I've refreshed your memory on short multiplication, we're going to do the long multiplication dance. I hope you remember it. Let's go. Three things that you need to remember about long multiplication is that long multiplication means two-digit numbers times two-digit numbers. The bigger number always goes on top, so elephant on top, and the teeny tiny ant or the smaller number goes underneath. So it's a bit more tricky here. You've got two-digit numbers. You need to concentrate on which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number. Let's remind ourselves about the steps for long multiplication. Step number 1, line up the place values. You're now in term 3 of grade 4. You really do not have to write out the U and the T and the H and the TH. However, you do need to make sure that your place value columns are properly lined up. So if you want to write them down, you're more than welcome. If you don't need to, you don't have to. Step 2, write the bigger number first in the correct place value column. So elephant on top. Step 3, write the smaller number underneath in the correct place value column. So your teeny tiny ant on the bottom. Step 4, we're going to start from the units column and we're going to do the dance. So our dance goes like this. Up. Up means multiply the bottom units number by the top units number. Left. Left means multiply the bottom units number by the top tens number. Oh, this is where I get you to shake your booty. Don't forget to write your magic 0 in the units column underneath what you've just worked out. Now we move on to right. So you're going to multiply the bottom tens number by the top units number. And the last dance move is up. Multiply the tens number by the tens number. So bottom tens times the top tens. Step number 5, if the answer at any point is more than 10, you're going to carry the tens number over to the tens column. Step 6, if there is a carried over value, you're going to add it only after you have multiplied. That's that. Just in case you needed to remind yourself of the long multiplication dance, you can dance along if you feel like you want to. So we've got up and left, oh, right, and up. Let's do an example of long multiplication using the vertical method. We're looking at 43 times 29. Our elephant is 43 and our ant is 29. Set up your working out space. Put your elephant on top, which is 43, and your ant on the bottom, which is 29. Now you start at the units column, and our first dance move is up. We've got 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. It's a two-digit number, so you're going to put the 7 down, and you're going to carry the 2 over to the tens column, and you're going to add that later. The next dance move is right, or left. 9 times 4 is 36. Now we add our little 2 that we've carried over, so 36 plus 2 is 38. Place the 8 in the tens column and carry the 3 over to the hundreds column. Next dance move is oh, so write your magic 0 in the units column underneath. Next dance move is right, so 2 times 3 is 6. And put that down in the tens column. Last dance move is up. So 2 times 4 is 8. And we don't have to add that little 2 because we've actually already added it once. So you can just pop your 8 into the hundreds column and then you add those two values together. We start adding from the units column when we add. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 6 is 14, that's a two-digit number. So you put down your 4 and you carry your 1. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12, that's a two-digit number. So put down your 2, carry your 1 over, there's nothing in the thousands column to add, so you can just pop your 1 into the thousands column answer row. So your answer is 1,247. Okay, it's your turn to practice your multiplication skills. So you're going to multiply the following numbers using the vertical method. Now that's the method that we've just gone through. So please copy these questions into your workbooks and show your working out for me. So on a fresh, clean page, you're going to write today's date. You'll write the heading, long multiplication practice. You'll underline your date and heading, skip a line, and then calculate these 3 questions for me. As soon as you're finished, you can skip a line and rule off. So the 3 calculations that you're going to do is 16 times 12, 64 times 23, and 38 times 28. Let's take a look at your answers. We line up our place values. Elephant on top and ant on the bottom start from the units column. First dance move is up. So 2 times 6 is 12. It's a 2-digit number, put down your 2. Carry your 1 over to add later. Next dance move left. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Next dance move is O, so you write your magic 0 underneath in the units column. Next dance move right. 1 times 6 is 6. And up. 1 times 1 is 1. We don't add that little tiny 1 because we've already done it. So now we can add these 2 values together. Start from the units column. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 6 is 9. Nothing plus 1 is 1. So the answer is 192. Next one. Set up your working out space. Elephant on top, ant on the bottom. Start from the units column. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is a 2-digit number, so put down your 2 and carry your 1. Next dance move left. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19, so it's a 2-digit number, put down your 9, carry your 1, but there's nothing in the hundreds column, so just pop it in the answer row. Next dance move is 0 or O, so write down your 0 in the units column underneath. Next dance move right, 2 times 4 is 8, and lastly up, 2 times 6 is 12. It's a 2-digit number, put down your 2, carry your 1 over to the thousands column, but there are no numbers there to hold on to it, so you can just pop it in the answer column. Now you can add these 2 numbers together. Start from the units column, 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 8 is 17, it's a 2-digit number, put down your 7, carry your 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and nothing plus 1 is 1. Your answer there is 1,472. Last one, set up your working out space, elephant on top, ant on the bottom, start from your units column. First dance move is up, 8 times 8 is 64, it's a 2-digit number, put down your 4, carry your 6 to add later. Next dance move left, 8 times 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30, it's a 2-digit number, so put down your 0, carry your 3. Next dance move is O, so shake your booty, put the 0 down in the units column, and go right. 2 times 8 is 16, it's a 2-digit number, put down your 6, carry your 1. Last dance move is up, 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 that you've just carried over is 7. Now you can add those 2 sums or digits or numbers together. Start from the units column. 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 6 is 6, and 3 plus 7 is 10. It's a 2-digit number, put down your 0, carry your 1 to the thousands column. There's nothing else to add, so your final answer is 1,064.